W2 Wednesdays, W2 Trap Alert Day. If you're trading 40 hours of your life for a paycheck and you don't have a plan, you're not an employee, you're a fucking hamster on a wheel. The W2 is a tool, not a life sentence. But most people treat it like a prison cell they'll never, ever leave. Well, what's the takeaway on that, KP? Look, your W2 isn't a bad thing. It's just the gas you need to drive the car of freedom. It's the money you use to buy income producing assets. Think of it like this. Your W2 is the gasoline, your side hustles are the oil, and your real estate investments like that duplex, triplex, or fourplex are the engine. Or if you do stocks, then your index funds. If you're on the Simple Path to Wealth plan, whatever your gasoline, stop using your income to buy liabilities and start using it to buy your freedom, time freedom. That's the whole point. How are you using your W2 to build assets? Stop talking about it and start doing something. Tell us in the comments and hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and boom!